How to fix your YouTube music recap not showing. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store on your device and make sure the YouTube Music application is updated. So, tap on the search bar there and search for YouTube Music and make sure the app is updated. Mine is showing open here, which means the app is updated. If not, it would show update instead of open. See if that helps in fixing your issue, and if not, then open the YouTube Music app and then swipe up on your screen and then force quit the app along with all the apps running in the background and then reopen the app, as this will give the app a fresh restart. See if that helps, and if not, then launch the settings application on your device and tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, scroll down and navigate to YouTube Music and tap on it. Go ahead and tap on the offload app option you see here and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. Next, go back to your home screen and then tap hold on the YouTube Music application and then tap on the remove app option and then tap on delete app and then on delete. Doing this will delete the YouTube Music app from your device completely. Now open App Store and then reinstall the app, as this will give the app a fresh and clean restart. See if that helps in fixing your issue, and if not, then make sure that you have listened to enough music for YouTube Music to create a recap, and if you did not listen enough music, then the recap will not generate. Also, make sure that you are not connected to any type of VPN services, as VPNs sometimes block recap cards. You can then try to go ahead and restart your iPhone, as restarting the iPhone helps in fixing majority of minor glitches on your iPhone. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix YouTube Music recap not showing. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.